Oil additives can be a low-commitment upgrade for reducing friction, protecting against wear, and extending oil life, especially in high-mileage or high-stress engines. This review compares 5 widely available products across a broad price range to help consumers match needs with value. Nano Pro MT Oil Stabilizer, Product 1.
List number 1. Oil Stabilizer High Mileage Engine Treatment Additive. Nano Pro MT's Oil Stabilizer positions itself as a nanotechnology-based engine protection booster designed to extend oil life and reduce wear. Claims to extend oil life by up to 100%, lower oil temperatures, and reduce wear metals significantly, with compatibility across synthetic and conventional oils. The 32-ounce size targets standard consumer garages and offers a straightforward, high-capacity option for high-mileage or high-load engines. Prospective buyers should note the emphasis on nanoscale additives that claim to minimize friction and support viscosity stability under heat and pressure. Performance analysis shows the formulation aims to combat viscosity breakdown and dry starts, which can be particularly beneficial for engines with higher wear or those operating in demanding conditions. Real-world expectations should be tempered by the lack of independent third-party propulsion metrics in the listing. However, the stated 68% reduction in wear metals and 40% less scarring imply material protection well-suited for aging engines or vehicles with extended oil change intervals. Compatibility with both synthetic and conventional oils adds versatility for mixed fleet owners, while field-tested claims suggest reliability in racing, heavy-duty, and everyday use cases. In practice, users may notice smoother operation and potential horsepower feel due to reduced internal friction, especially during cold starts and under high-load scenarios.
List number 2. Hot Shot Secret Original Stiction Eliminator, 32 fluid ounce bottle. The Hot Shot Secret Original Stiction Eliminator is a 32-ounce solution marketed to reduce friction, remove engine deposits, and seal rings while neutralizing acids. While not explicitly positioned as a nanotech product, it targets common friction and wear concerns in high-mileage engines and those experiencing stiction-related issues. Pricing sits in the mid-range, offering a practical balance of cost and anticipated performance benefits for enthusiasts seeking cleaner engine operation and smoother idle. Performance-wise, the product highlights deburring of deposits and reduced friction drag, which can translate to improved compression and quieter operation. The inclusions of fuel economy and engine noise reductions align with drivers prioritizing drivability and long-term engine cleanliness. The 32-ounce format is convenient for standard oil change schedules, and the broad universal fit makes it a straightforward choice for trucks and mixed fleets. Users who operate older or high-mileage engines with buildup issues may experience more noticeable benefits, especially regarding lifter and valve noise reduction and overall engine response.
List number 3. Tribotex Nano Oil Additive Car Engine Treatment. Add to engine lube. Tribotex Nano Oil Additive introduces itself as a nanotechnology-enabled engine treatment, featuring synthetic nanoparticles designed to build a diamond-like coating and reverses wear in bearings. The 2-ounce bottle is marketed as a compact, premium treatment intended to revitalize high-mileage engines and provide universal compatibility across motor oils for both gas and diesel engines. The US-made claim and prestigious funding background, DOE, NASA, NSF, are highlighted as differentiators in a crowded category. Performance-wise, Tribotex emphasizes wear reversal and quieter, smoother operation through a diamond-like carbon coating. The product also touts improved fuel economy and reduced engine noise, with a 2-ounce bottle designed for one treatment. Given the premium price, users should expect meaningful benefits primarily in engines with wear patterns that DLC-like coatings can address, such as older vehicles seeking a like-new driving experience. The 100% satisfaction guarantee adds assurance for first-time buyers exploring premium tech in lubrication.
List number 4. Liquimoly MOS2 Anti-Friction Engine Treatment, 300 milliliters, Oil Additive. Liquimoly MOS2 Anti-Friction Engine Treatment is a well-known zinc-free MOS2-based additive provided in a pack of 2 300 milliliter bottles per pack.
It's positioned to form a high load-bearing film on friction surfaces and reduce wear, with a track record in European markets for reducing engine noise and improving lubrication efficiency. While the listing provides per-pack details, the MOS2-based approach is traditional and widely trusted for anti-friction performance, and the 2-pack packaging offers better value for multi-application scenarios. Performance-wise, MOS2 forms a protective film on rubbing surfaces, potentially improving high RPM stability and reducing scuffing in high-load situations. The user experience benefits typically include smoother operation and a more controlled engine feel, especially at high RPMs. Some users prefer MOS2 formulations for classic or performance engines, and Liqui-Moly's reputation supports consistent results. However, the lack of a direct per-bottle price and the absence of a single-bottle consumer-friendly option in the listing can complicate value comparison for budget-conscious buyers.
List number 5. Bardol 21208 Engine Protection Motor Oil Additive Zinc Engine Restore. Bardol 21208 Engine Protection is a zinc-related treatment focused on older and high-mileage engines. The formula is designed to stop oil burning, reduce wear, and improve compression with a single 12-ounce bottle sufficient for roughly up to 5 quarts of motor oil. Bardol emphasizes its benefits for cold starts and high-temperature operation, along with compatibility across gas and diesel engines and various oil types. Performance-wise, Bardol's B2, as named in some markets, aims to restore lubrication integrity in aging engines by forming a lubricating film and reducing deposits. The zinc-based approach is traditional and well understood in terms of wear protection, particularly for older engines with higher wear demands. The 12-ounce bottle size makes it a budget-friendly option for targeted use, but the capacity may be limiting for engines with larger oil capacities or frequent oil changes. Overall, Bardol is a familiar choice for classic or high-mileage vehicles seeking a straightforward lubrication boost.